Good. What is it?
Play with me, Daddy.
What are you doing? Kimber, what are you I'm working. Yeah.
Of tests. When you go back to the manufacturer.
CS roster added to the World Series roster.
No shit. Bro, chill.
Is he ignoring you, puppy?
I'm about to lock the darn door!
What do you do when Daddy's on his computer?
Excuse me. Hey.
What do you want?
Excuse me, it's been like 5 minutes since the last time that I got attention. I would like some more, please.
Whisper. Good job, Whisper. Whisper. Good job. Whisper. 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 That's not a whisper. You have to whisper. 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 What is that? Quiet speak. Good girl. Quiet speak. Go whisper. 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 Good boy. Whisper. Whisper. Good. Yeah, whisper.
Oh, shh. No.
Boo. No, nothing. You're scaring me.
Watch as my husky fakes crying to get a sip of my drink.
No.
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
Huh? Hey!
Oh!
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?